plumbing dumpster. Are you gonna pay today? Looks like the same as yesterday. I see some copper. I'll go ahead and take these and start pulling the motors out. Piece of copper wire. Another piece of copper. Dinky. All the scraps add up, y'all. Believe it or not. I was here yesterday. I got a few pieces. That's good stuff. This pipe has brass. I'll yoke all that stuff off. Let's get to work here, y'all. If you guys see something, holler at me. I might hear it through the video. I like when people say that. Hey, if you see something, let me know. Yeah, they're going to get right on that. Ooh, I'm too short, and not the wrapper. Yeah, we'll take that. A little bit of copper and brass. Let me get in this thing. I didn't want to, but I will. Look, everybody, gloves. And seeing as how they're not rubber gloves, they're really not making a big difference. What do we have here? Oh, another piece of copper and brass. We like those. A little bit of stainless. Knock that around. Oops. I'm already at win it. Oh, another piece of copper and brass. Right. Oh, another piece. I am loving Saturdays here, y'all. Oh, another piece of brass. Two of them. Itty bitties. If I can get them. They don't try to run off on me. Those in my pocket. Okay, I guess it's time to get serious on this one. I was here yesterday. We got a few little tidbits. Brass over, let me get it. Yep, I'll take that. Another piece. A little bit of copper. I'm back to cutting them brass ends off of those, just to add it up. Oh, come here, you. Oh, come here, you. Yeah, I'll take that apart. And that. A couple little tidbits, y'all. Hey, Dumpster Jerry, if you're watching, check your email. you got one of those keychains, I gave you a choice of a couple of the good ceramic chips. So look out for it. I didn't make it yet. I just gave you some choices. In case and if, ooh, that's nice. In case and if you wanted a certain one, or I can send you a ram stick. You know what, I might just send you both. A ram stick and a chip, so as you can show them off a little bit and enjoy them. They're pretty cool. For those that don't know, I make keychains. Just something to do. Two-part epoxy. Well, I'm really digging into rocks now. What's this pipe? It's got too much PVC on the other end. I ain't messing with it. Hold your breath. So if you're wondering why I haven't been uploading a whole buttload of videos lately, it's because I've been working at a scrapyard on and off. I'm really making a whole lot of money now, so I got more of the baby on my brain. Take some stainless. Anything that pays better than 10 shred, we're in. Yeah, so I work part-time. I set aside everything that's resale for them. Not everything. Some of the stuff I throw away. It's resale, but you know, I've been doing eBay for years now. And I just started my old lady back on eBay, and so I know what sells and what don't. You know, I'm not gonna post 20 keyboards and make a $5 profit after fees. Ooh, that's nothing. Yeah, to make a $5 profit after fees. $25 bills, yes, is 100. I get it. But you know how much of a hassle that is? Okay, I don't have an eBay store. I just post to eBay, you know? Not like I'm making a store out of it or nothing like that. Oh, must have overlooked the good stuff. Oh, it's not the same box, that's fine. Looks like it though. Throw that in the pile. Anybody wants some spent welding rods? Me neither. Nothing. A little bit of something. Now I'm just gonna skim the top because I done got all dirtied up and stuff for the day. Been through all this, but sometimes they throw a good box of goodies on top. GE light bulbs. Alright. This is empty, I can tell already. Yep. Empty. Someone done got it. Alright, y'all. Time to go. Get back with you. Okay. This is just a little 2-day total. It hasn't been a real big score like I normally get. I showed y'all this. It's brass. Brass, brass. And then we got a little bit of copper. Stainless brass. Brass. This video is mostly for Jerry. He likes that brass. I gotta take that big sucker off. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Cut it or something. We'll find out here in a little bit. I got that aluminum. They always have those bottoms. I grabbed me some weed whackers to tinker with. It's probably all junk. That's alright. It was free. Holler at your boy Romantic. So, we are making the boy a choo-choo train. And my phone's going crazy right when I start talking. I'm gonna dress all this up. Yeah, he'll probably rip that bell off, so I'm gonna sink a piece of wood in there and put screws in. I'm gonna paint this up in Christmas colors. All from junk, y'all. All from junk. That's camo green, we don't want that. I already got it primed. But yeah. Let's hook him up with something good. Let him have some fun with his little friends. Getting a little school parade. Why not? Hit this about 20 times, make it heavy from paint. I'm gonna get some masking tape and tape up all that good stuff there and paint it again. Alright, y'all. Like, subscribe, and share. Oh, let me show you what I'm gonna give. Where's my keychain? This is going out to my buddy Dumpster Jerry. It's gonna be his keychain. It's gonna be his giveaway. It ain't the prettiest one, but it's the best ceramic one I have. So we're gonna hook him up. Okay, it's not 100% done, y'all, but it's a start. I made this little bell. That's half of one of those shot measuring cups. I don't know if you've seen it in my last video or not. And we're gonna put some candy canes and all kind of stuff on there. Get him some suspenders to wear. He's gonna fit right in there and roll around the parade. I was thinking about going all out and making the deal move, but man, they're gonna be like, you guys went too far. So we'll see what happens. You guys gotta watch the next video to get to see the finale of this thing. It's gonna look pimp. Heck yeah.